Hey, good morning, guys. These videos that we're posting now have been made for months. I took a 2 or 3 month vacation from YouTube, so these are old videos. I'm trying to piece them together just to get them out of the card. This video is about the Camaro. If you're not interested in the Camaro, just skip it and go on. Right. This is a fuel pump install of the 2011 Pro-Charged Camaro to get more fuel to get it ready to go on E85. So I just made this clip here to tell you that what you didn't see is it took me 3 weeks and a solid week of busting my butt to get that car running again. Because what happened was I put a Zl1 fuel pump in the car, took the factory SS pump out, put a Zl1 pump in it. So when I went into HP tuners and tuned the car to, and I also installed an E85 sensor. So when I went into HP tuners to tell I had the E85 sensor so I could tell the E content. I changed the fuel pump parameters, but I selected something wrong. I selected variable fuel pump because it has two. It has now has a Zl1 fuel pump and a DSX tuning fuel pump. Well, what happened now is that created tune, so every time I cranked the car up, it would just die. It would throw a code fuel pump control module. So I ordered the fuel pump control module. It took me a few days to get it. Put that in, no change. I went through 3 fuel pump control modules, went to local junkyard, sourced one, put that in there, no change. So I wound up having to haul the car to the dealership. You'll see that at the end of the video, and they figured out what was going on with the car. It was all tune related, but that car kicked my butt for a week. I tore the whole car apart trying to figure out what was going on, and I found a fuel pump control module. You got to take the whole interior out. It was a job. It kicked my butt, and it was all self-inflicted. So this car has been 3 months of just kicking my butt that you guys don't see because we didn't video that. We took a hiatus from YouTube for a while, so we're just piecing these videos together to get them out there. Just trying to get caught up to get back into other content, future content. We got some exciting stuff going on. But anyway, so if you don't like this type of video, just skip it, go on. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the fuel pump install of the Pro-Charged Camaro. Okay, so today we're going to try to do a fuel pump replacement on this 2011 convertible Camaro. The convertible makes it nice. Don't have to worry about getting him crawling here and just lean over the top and cut my holes. So pretty fortunate for it to be a convertible. We're going to try to cut that out versus trying to drop a gas tank and drive shaft and exhaust pipe, everything on this gravel driveway. I think that's going to be the easiest option. So let's get to work. I'm so out of practice videoing. I didn't video that. Anyway, we got the new one, the old one out and the new one in. Pretty easy, straightforward. So I think one day in the future, I'll come back with a piece of metal inside there, pop everything in, and I can adhesive this down. I don't think it's going to hurt anything like it is. If you have gas odors, we'll know why. So, but I mean, that's got an O-ring around it, so it can't leak. So should be fine like that. Put the seat down the way we'll ever know. But we will come back and secure that with some pop rivets, and just gotta get this little metal cut, go around it, pop everything in, and then secure that a little better. But anyway, pretty easy fuel pump change. You guys go check it out on YouTube, and that's how I learned. I'm a professional YouTube mechanic. Okay, there it is. See ya. So we brought the highly modified Camaro back to the dealership because fuel pump control module was showing bad, but with 3 in it, couldn't do anything with it. So just changed the ECM, fix and flash the tuning with the new ECM, and see if it still shows the problem. Then we'll flash the original tune. I made some changes on the tune. So we're going to see if it's my changes I made or if the ECMs happen to get fried. So I'm going to find out. Stay tuned.